Good morning, happy Saturday. Hope everybody had a restful evening. I made some egg salad today with a little tomato, salt, pepper, and mayo. Got my cornbread that I toasted up. I heated up a little bit in the toaster oven. And I got my celery. I went out yesterday. After I saw my mom, I went up to the avenue and just bought a couple of things. Today, after I see my mom, I'm going to come home and call PC Richards and order a refrigerator. I just got to do it. And I want a refrigerator. Frigidaire. I'm looking for an apartment size Frigidaire. My son-in-law, my daughter texted me and she said, Bill said, don't get, but Frigidaire was, he said, yeah, get the Frigidaire, and he said something else to get. GE maybe? I don't know, but they have Frigidaire, so I'm going to get it. I hope. For the next 2 weeks, the only really good delivery day would be Monday. So if it's not this Monday, it's got to be next Monday. Luckily, I have that refrigerator upstairs. Then I put a lot of stuff up there because I didn't know. I didn't know that Charlie was going to be able to give me a little bit more life here. But I'm not bringing anything back down. I could use the exercise. Be careful what you wish for. I was so worried that I wasn't getting my exercise at my daughter. I don't want to tell you how many times I go up and down the stairs. But anyway, it's a good thing. I got this orange that I forgot about. Big skin, but the other one was good. Let's see, hopefully this is good. So we have birthdays today. Johnny Nash, Jill St. John, Diane Mulder. I remember her from Star Trek. Billy J. Kramer, I picked him. Romeo Miller, rapper, actor. Ginger Baker, and Matthew Perry. It's okay. You know, life is a dance. You learn as you go. Today is bow day, like I guess the bow tie. Who is the bow tie? Sheldon, I remember Sheldon is a bow tie. Somebody else too. It's associated with nerds, you know. Homeless Animals Day, Aviation Day, Photography Day or Photo Day. So go out and take a photo. Takes so much beauty around us. Soft Ice Cream Day. And Honeybee. The good old honeybee. And a Potato Day. Vodka. Oh, baked potato. I haven't had a baked potato in ages. And Humanitarian Day. Awareness. So, get something good to eat. I almost forgot. Peace, love, and coffee. Good morning. So yeah, I'll tell you, look, I had the window open. I shut the air conditioner off. I got my front door open. It's really nice in here. And I've been up a while already. So hopefully it'll be a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day where you are. Stay safe. And every day we grow. Maybe we grow slowly, but we grow. Like a plant. Actually, the weeds out there, they grow overnight. Oh, gosh. I bought a weed whacker or whatever you call it. Let me show you. I went out in the garden and I was doing the weeds. Some of them are like trees, but anyway, I try to trim them down. Great, it's dangerous. Don't do this at home. It's really dangerous. I just use it and then I put it away because that thing is powerful. But anyway, have a great Saturday. Get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. And I'll let you know what day my delivery's going to be. I'm excited. Imagine being excited about a refrigerator.